On the couch with Koel.
Week after week, girls squealed in deliciously dangerous delight at his fluid dance moves on a loop on every television channel. And then just like that, they rubbished him, calling him a pale imitation with a weak voice. Ouch! Such is the fickle power of success or the impact of failure. Now, I would feel really sorry for the hunky Harman Baweja had he not already been signed by the best and the biggest in Bollywood. Sanjay Leela Bansali, Anis Bazni, Ashutosh Govarikar, just to name a few. Harman, I'm really very pleased that you are on my couch with me today.
I'm more pleased to be on this couch than anyone, trust me.
Oh God, stop stroking it, okay? This couch strokes back, by the way.
Oh, does
be
it?
Careful, be
does
careful.
It?
Yeah.
So can we end the show right away, Koel? I'll see you later. I'll spend some time with the couch.
Anyway,
Yes.
listen, this is going somewhere else.
Yes.
I wanted to say that in your movie, your character uses a line very often that says, I don't need luck, I have love. Do you feel that?
Yeah, I feel love brings you luck. If you love someone, they'll always wish luck for you. And what they wish for you will definitely go all the way to the Almighty, and you have to wish me with luck.
And this film has been a labor of love in
Yes.
a lot of ways.
It's a labor of love by the family. It's a labor of love by people who worked on it. You know, for us it was 3 years of work. It was not a matter of work anymore. It wasn't a job anymore. It was all about the passion and love for making this film and the team. So the journey was fantastic, and I think that's what finally matters.
And you had days I've read that money ran out and you were still kind of shooting.
Yeah.
And tell us about that.
Well, it's expensive film to make.
Mhm.
It's a very difficult film to make. You don't really know the territory. You know, the kind of special effects that have gone into this film, I don't think anybody can gauge how much went into it.
People couldn't gauge it. They couldn't tell. A lot of people said that the special effects weren't that special. In a
Yeah,
lot
they were
of ways.
seamless. See, the problem in our country is you have to have tacky effects for people to know it is effects. I'm being honest. If my effects were tacky, hey, special effects shot hai. It's super, man. Nice, good work.
So you still think that the film was flawless in terms of its effects?
In terms of effects, the flawlessness of this film will only come to the audience after 6 months, when this film goes international. I personally believe people didn't understand these special. I'm not saying they understand the film and all that. That's up to everybody's individual opinion here. I'm not getting into that space. Effects. When forget a critic. Uska to kaam hi criticize hai. That's why he's called a critic. He's supposed to criticize.
Not always.
Well, that's why they call critics, na? They're not called appreciators. That's why they call critics. Well,
I like your take on it.
Yeah.
I like the way you dealt with it.
It's
yeah.
cool, na? People said, yeah, it was okay. Some people loved it. The kids have unanimously loved the film. The families have loved it. But there was a certain amount of thing that happened in the first week of the film which wasn't in good taste. And that definitely impacts people's mind.
Do you think it was all the negative stuff that happened around the film that's why the film didn't do well? Is that what you're saying?
No, it's so hard to gauge or gauge, whatever the right way to pronounce that
Well,
is.
you can pronounce it any which way you
Okay,
want.
it's so hard
I
to
say
gauge.
gauge, you say gauge, potato, potato.
Right, so it's so hard to gauge. But I don't know. I personally, for me, yeah, you make a film, you work hard till Friday 12 o'clock, and after that, you leave it.
So what would you do now differently, now that you look at the film?
Huh.
What would you have done differently?
Nothing.
Not just you,
Huh.
but how would you have made the film differently if you had to?
Nothing. Right now it's too early for me. I'm so close to it. I need to go away from it.
You do have some opinion of it, right?
No, right now my opinions could be prejudiced. They may change after 3 weeks.
So I want to hear the prejudiced opinions.
What I would do right now,
Yeah.
I think we would definitely shorten the film, because that's one unanimous criticism that the film got. It gets long. And I believe a good film, when it's long, you can start finding faults in it.